Installing a larger chainring can actually make climbing 12% easier while saving you 3 watts on the flats, and the math proves it. Conventional wisdom says smaller rings equal easier climbing, but physics disagrees. Compare a standard climbing compact setup, 34-tooth ring, 28-tooth max cog, against a semi-compact, 36-tooth ring, paired with a modern 11-to-34 cassette. The semi-compact setup actually offers a significant mechanical advantage for climbing despite the larger chainring. But here is the hidden trap that catches most cyclists when they only look at that lowest gear number. It's called the cadence gap. Smaller chainrings amplify the percentage jump between gears. A 2-tooth jump on a small ring disrupts your rhythm significantly more than on a large ring, forcing your muscles to fire inefficiently during shifts. Furthermore, drivetrain efficiency is a function of articulation angle. Larger sprockets require less chain bending. Research shows that maintaining a straight chain line in a larger ring saves measurable wattage compared to cross-chaining in a compact setup. Stop buying gears based on the steepest hill you climb once a year. Optimize for the 90% of riding you do on the flats. A 5236 with a wide-range cassette gives you the mechanical advantage for walls, without sacrificing the tight spacing you need for speed. Optimize for your average speed, not your slowest moment.